Welcome back. We've got Kate Lewis in studio this morning from the Midwest Regional Ballet here to tell us about this weekend's production of Mary Poppins.
Yes, we're very excited. I did this show for the first time in 1997 when I lived in Texas. And the girl that played my Mary at that time has been a professional dancer for about 12 years now. So it's exciting to redo it and kind of revamp what I did before. I like going back and watching old videos and saying, oh, that didn't work, so we're going to try this differently. So it's been a fun process to recreate it a little bit differently.
Now, you told me your youngest performer is 2 years old.
Yep, my little 2-year-olds are little penguins, and they're the most adorable things ever.
So how big is the cast for this production?
It's around 78 people in the cast. It incorporates if they want to be in it. It wasn't, I don't force people to be in a show because it does take time, especially this week. We'll be like at the theater because we have to adapt everybody to the sets now. We have like a 20-foot long bridge that the chimney sweeps are dancing, light posts they're dancing on. So
they've learned the dance, but then they've got to make it work on stage.
Now we're going to incorporate in the stage, get all the lighting, the sound down, and then we have two dress rehearsals Wednesday and Thursday. So, and then we open on Friday.
This will be exciting.
Yeah.
How close is this? Is it close to like the original Disney?
Yes. Yes. I mean.
Now a lot of kids probably haven't even seen Mary Poppins.
And that was the thing. Yeah. A lot of my dancers had never seen. They'd seen Mary Poppins Returns, and I was like, well, you need to go back and watch the old one with Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke because that's the storyline we're keeping too. So some of I did take music from other variations of Mary Poppins, like the Broadway show, and Trip the Light Fantastic had to be in there from Mary Poppins Returns. But
nice.
And a lot of the chimney sweep dances are acro and light pole dancing and flipping, and I mean it's like one of their dances is almost 10 minutes long, literally.
So does everyone have a spoonful of sugar before each practice?
I hope not.
Just to like get revved up?
I hope not, because that's like that 5-minute burst of energy, and then it's downhill from there. So no sugar allowed.
That's funny. All right. Well, this is fun. We were talking in the break about how many productions you've done with the Midwest Regional Ballet.
Yeah. Well, I've been teaching since 1986. So if you multiply that times 2 shows per year. And then on top of that, I used to do choreography for high schools and direct and choreograph for community theaters, so hundreds.
If anyone's interested in what all types of dance and things that you do with the Midwest Regional Ballet, if they want to get into that, how can they find out more?
We teach ballet, tap, jazz, contemporary, modern. We also do aerial arts, where we're one of the only studios in town or in this area that does aerial arts in their productions. And we teach acro, dance acro, not like gymnastics type acro, but yeah. So
where are you guys located at, and like how would they find more information?
Yeah, so you can go on our Facebook page, Midwest Regional Ballet Company and School, that has information about our shows, how to get involved in classes. We're located in Joplin, so we're pretty in the Duquesne area. So we're pretty, centralized. So we accept ages 2 and up. We have adult classes. We have all kinds of stuff going on all the time.
Okay. And this weekend's show starts Friday.
Friday at 7:30 p.m. And then we have a show on Saturday and Sunday at 2. And then the following weekend, we have 6 shows this time. So then the following week, we have 2 7:30 shows Friday and Saturday and a 2 p.m. show on Sunday.
All right. Plenty of opportunities to get out and see Mary Poppins.
Yes.
Right. Well, tell everybody to break a leg. All right.
Please no.
Oh, no, we don't want that. We'll be right back.